Hi everyone, in this tutorial we will be looking at very crucial part of the programming. So it is variables. Variables actually is a memory place in which you can store a value and from which you can later retrieve that value. So it is taking a place of a value and you can use this through the program over and over. In another meaning, we can say in a computer programming, a variable is an abstract storage location paired with an associated symbolic name. So the variables are taking a symbolic name, and also this symbolic name only used to get equation of the given value. And somebody enters a value, but we can retrieve this value or use this value over and over using these symbolic names. We will see this in the coming slides. Let's look at some typical variables in programming. Example, if you're gonna add any text variable, let's say we will call it name variable. So it is a text variable because when you say a name, you have to expect a text to be given, right? Example, Adam, John, or Smith. So the name text variable is not a constant. It can get any type of names, whatever user enter. I just use 3 different names, so you can name a lot of things. And it is declared in Java and C++ just like this, string and name. So string becomes the type while the name is the name of the variable. When we look at another typical variable, which is age is a numeric variable. It can take 15, 29, or 75. It can get any number as well. Also, the same way, Java and C++ gets this variable in that way. So int, which is integer, and age is the variable name. Instead of age, you can name anything. Also, just as you see on the top, name. So here you can write anything, whatever you want. So the variable type is character. Let's say if you are going to make a form where you're gonna get some information related to the person, gender, age, or some other stuffs. Let's say we are looking at the gender, so that person has to enter F or M, right? Female or male. So in that case, we have to use character because characters holds only one symbol that you have to write out of 255. So F is one character, and then M also is character. It is also declared in Java and C++ in that way. Char, which is getting the shortened way of character, and when you put a space, you're gonna write any name that you like. Like example, you're gonna put a gender, and that will be the variable for the people's gender. Now let's look at this two men's conversation, and then we will try to understand how variable take a role in this dialogue. Example, that blue jacket person is asking, what's your name? And then he says, my name is John. And in the computer, we see that the name is equal to John, and the variable name is holding the name John in its memory, okay? Let's look at another example. That person is asking another user, what's your name? And then this time we get the Sophia, and then he says that okay, name is equal to Sophia. And then this is the way how computer sees the data. The name is equal to Sophia. Example, whenever you want to call name, it will be already equal to Sophia, and it will always show us Sophia by using name. Let's use another variable, which is age. Here we will ask a number. We're asking how old are you, and he says 15, and we're saying that age is equal to 15. By the way, this is a numeric variable, right? And the computer also sees the variable as a 15. All right, so same thing is going for Sophia's age. It is 13, and Computer sees this as 13, alright?